Good afternoon. Today I will be showing my idea how I prepare my moimoi. Okay, watch and subscribe this lovely mommy family TV. Yeah, it's your girl. Okay, all right, let's go there. Yeah, this is the beans that I will be using. Okay, I soaked it I think 2 hours ago. Yeah. See, I have to wash it. Okay, this is what I will be using. This butter, this the fish, and this the beans, and this the eggs, and this salt, and this green pepper. And I will be adding crayfish as well, and onions to grind it, and to blend and to put it inside. Okay guys, this is the fish I will be using for it, guys. Okay, let's get started. Please, if today is your first time, subscribe and like. Thank you. Yes, so my people, yeah, I'm done. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lovely Mommy Family. Okay, watch and like. All right.